A rogue police officer is in custody after he was cornered by members of the public in a violent robbery on February 3, 2024. Police Constable Edgar Opolo was saved from a furious mob by Kisii Central Police who were on patrol after finding the armed suspect under a hail of hefty blows. On inquiry, the officers established that the suspect had dropped a smartphone from a Kisii University student, and on frisking the injured suspect, they found the phone. He was arrested and escorted to the station. Meanwhile, DCI detectives in the area had been pursuing an armed gang of 3 who on January 2nd, 2024 robbed 40,000 shillings from Pep's mini supermarket, which is situated at Konambaya. The incident was captured by CCTV cameras, showing 3 robbers who had partly covered their faces, 2 of whom were armed, one with an AK-47 and the other one with a pistol. The rifle bearer had police fatigues on, but it was not apparent that he was a police officer. Following Opolo's arrest, an identification parade was conducted, where the supermarket owner successfully identified him as one of the robbers who accosted him. Further investigations have revealed that the suspect is a General Service Unit officer deployed in Kisii. He continues recuperating under police guard at a Kisii hospital, pending interrogation and arraignment for robbery with violence.